Hello everyone, welcome again. And in this tutorial, in this video, I'm going to show you one more project on Java and JSP servlets and all other combinations like Maven tools and using STS tool. Right. So this project is related to photography and it's like online photography competition. So there would be three roles. One is a photographer and other one is admin and the voter. Right. So voter can vote and admin can check the result, and photographer will click the pics and upload on the portal. So that voter can view that pics and vote on that pics, and admin can check the result and declare the final result. So photographer also can view the result and voter can also view the result and check the result which pic get more likes or more comment, or you can say more vote. So this time I'm going to show you a demo, and that I'm going to reload that application. Okay, so here's the application, and it's a blank page right now because I'm not going to provide any images, right? So in future I will provide the view. I will give it a graphical view also, and I will try to make it colorful, and then I will complete the project and I will provide the source code. And if you want source code notification, please subscribe the channel, and when I upload that video with source code, or I will provide that source code at code1.com, you will get easily notification and you can download and check this. So just click on that online photographer link system, that link, you will get that blank screen. Here it is the place for logo and other thing we can insert here. So just I'm going to log in first. So first we need to log in or sign up what you want. So like if you are a new user, so you can sign up from here. You just need to enter some details like first name, login ID, password, category. Category is like if you are a photographer, you can insert in photographer. You want to register as a photographer, so you can register as a photographer. So I'm going to try this. So photographer name, you can say some meaning like a demo or demo users, and enter your login ID. So login ID will be demo@gmail.com or something. Password is like demo, simple, and category is photographer, and contact number you can insert anything, and not anything, it's your contact number, and mobile number also I'm going to press the same, and the will be the address, and just click on the sign up. So data is password at least alphabet. So okay, there is a validation, easily you can insert the data. I'm not going to show you the demo, and then you need to log in, right? If you want to log in, and so there is a 3-actor: admin, photographer, voter. So first I'm going to show you as a photographer. When you log in as a photographer, so you need to insert the credential here. So login ID, your password, and just click on password and click on login. So there is a 3-field: add image, list of competition list, and get result. So if you want to click, if I clicked a new image and I want to upload this for the competition, so just click on that add image and select here the category. The category will be decided by the admin. So there is a one category is only for demo purpose, is a natural. So just click on naturals, choose the image which you want to upload. So like something I want image, yeah, this one. Upload that image and save this. So data is successfully saved. It means that the image is successfully uploaded, and you can see here the competition list. So there is one competition is there, only natural, and get result. If you check result, there is a different images which got the votes, and a single user can vote only once. Okay, so I'm going to log out this photographer, and now I'm going to now I want vote on that image. So I need to log in as a voter, or you can register as a voter first. So I'm going to log in this by this credential, and when I click on login button, so I can check the competition list. So competition list is first name of the competition and the competition type and the date of the competition, and just I want to vote. So in this competition, so just click on vote, and you can see the images here. The voter button is disabled because by this username I already voted once. So if a single user can vote only once, image the button will be disabled automatically when you click it once. Just click on the next image. So you can, here also I can vote already. I voted already, and here also I voted. So the next one, the image there. Okay, so there is some mistake. Hello, I voted on the 3 images, like 1 2, the image is not appear here, something is wrong. So just click on the vote, so it will be counted as a 1 and another one is counted as a. When I click on the get results, so you can see I uploaded this image recently and there is a 1 vote. So just I'm going to click on logout button, and when I want to log in as an admin, so I need to insert the admin credential here and sign up. And admin can add a competition, so need to click on the competition and subject name of the competition name like competition name, and enter the competition type and competition date, and just click on save. And here is a competition list. So there is a competition natural get result. Here you can see the result here also. So this is all about that online photography voting system, so online photography competition. So thank you so much for watching. If you like, subscribe the channel, and for more video, more project and more source code, you can subscribe this, and you can visit also code1.com. and if you want some project related to Java and something, you can request us. We will provide the complete project for you and for others also. Thank you.